Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Timeshift in Linux Mint. First, locate Timeshift in your application's menu and open it. You'll be prompted to choose a snapshot type, rsync or BTRFS. For most users, rsync is the recommended and simpler option. Next, select a destination for your snapshots, ideally on a separate drive or partition to ensure data safety. This initial setup is crucial for effective system recovery. Once Timeshift is configured, creating a snapshot is straightforward. Click the Create button to generate a new system snapshot. This process captures your current system state, including all system files and installed applications. It's a good practice to create a manual snapshot before installing new software or performing significant updates. This ensures you have a recent restore point if anything goes wrong. Restoring your system with Timeshift is a lifesaver when issues arise. Simply open Timeshift, select the snapshot you wish to restore from the list, and click Restore. You'll be guided through options to select the target device and confirm the restoration. Your system will then reboot and revert to the state of the chosen snapshot, effectively undoing any problems that occurred since that point. Timeshift offers advanced settings for fine-tuning its behavior. In the settings, you can adjust how many snapshots to keep, like 5 daily or 2 weekly, to optimize disk usage. You can also exclude specific directories or files from snapshots, which is useful for large personal data folders. Regularly checking these settings ensures Timeshift works best for your needs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.